right, so what does the DeVine 360 team predict that the real estate market's going to look like in 2023? So first, I think it's important to take a look back at 2022, of what happened. And then I think there's four main factors that we want to take a look at that are greatly going to influence the real estate market for 2023. So, all right, so looking back at 2022, of course, everybody knows interest rates just went crazy, right? I mean, they went from historic lows to bumping up over 7% and then really bounced back, around between that 6 and 7% all year. So that greatly affected the real estate market because buyers went to the sidelines. So a lot of buyers that were in the market said, hey, let's wait, let's see when things calm down. So the four factors that we want to talk about looking into this year, though, is what are mortgage rates going to do in 2023? What does the real estate inventory look like? And what are home values going to do? And the fourth thing is rent prices. So talking about mortgage rates, we really predict that this is going to settle down. It's not going to be crazy like it was in 2022. We're probably going to see that rate. It's in the mid sixes right now. So we see that settling down, and we actually think it could go down a little bit more by the end of the year. So as far as inventory goes, we're currently at 4 times in Pinellas County. We're 4 times the inventory for homes for sale that we had in February of 2022. Now that's good because that gives us more homes to look at. It sounds like it could be a problem because it's too much inventory, but we're still historically, we're very low for inventory. So it's helping to balance the real estate market between buyers and sellers. It's no longer just one-sided. So buyers have something to shop for and sellers have to be competitive in the market. So we're going to see a more balanced market in 2023. Home values, this will vary, what people project the home values to do in 2023, but here in Florida, we think just based on the supply and demand that 1,000 people a day are still moving into Florida. So we do think that home values are going to continue to increase just a little bit. Our projection is probably about 5% year over year. So, and then talking about rent prices, so many buyers unfortunately just had to get into a rental last year because they just couldn't buy a home. Well, rent prices are going to continue to shoot through the roof. So, renting a home is really not going to be your best option going forward. So it's still going to be a really good time to buy. So here's our prediction for 2023. So let's take a look at this video at the end of the year and see how we did.